Is your CapCut app stuck on the loading screen on your iPhone? This often happens because of slow internet, server issues, or corrupted app data. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the CapCut loading stuck problem. So let's get started. Before doing anything else, make sure you have a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Now try airplane mode on and off. After that, try these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Force quit recent app. Swipe up from the bottom. Now try the CapCut recent uses task. Then swipe CapCut away to close it completely. Now reopen the app. Solution 2. Clear CapCut cache. Open up the CapCut app, then tap on the profile icon or Me tab. Now tap on the settings icon in the top right corner. Next tap Clear Cache below. Then tap Confirm, and it's been cleared. Solution 3. Offload the CapCut app. First, open up the settings. Then tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone Storage. Now, scroll down and find the app. Next, tap on the app and then tap Offload. And again, tap Offload. After that, tap Reinstall. Solution 4. Check App Update. Open up the App Store, tap on the search icon from below. Type CapCut. Now find the CapCut app and tap on it. If you find any updates available, then update the app. Now try to open the CapCut app again and see whether it works or not. Solution 5. Reset Network Settings. Grab your iPhone. Open Settings. Tap General. Scroll down. Then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap Reset. Now tap Reset Network Settings. This will reset settings like Wi-Fi passwords, but won't delete your data. Then enter the passcode of your iPhone if it asks. Tap Reset Network Settings again. After you have successfully reset your network settings, go ahead and check whether your problem is solved or not. Hope your issue is solved by now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.